Hello, this is Bobby at Copel TV Repair with yet another functionality proof for a set of 3 boards for LG 60PB. There's plenty of different 60PBs, doesn't really matter. Those are the 3 boards, Y, sustain, and the 2 buffers. Today is 25th of February, and each one of the boards has a label that shows that. I made another such video merely a couple of days ago, and it's funny how those weren't selling for weeks, months, and all of a sudden there is a bunch of them being ordered. As I said in the previous and all other videos made on that TV, ignore that horizontal line. It is there because of after so many repairs, we started tearing down those connections. This is why they have scotch tapes. In fact, you can see the cut where it is here at the top, because of which that black line is there. So be careful when you're installing those. Make sure to replace all 3 at the same time. Do not mix with the old boards or you risk failure. Hopefully that is enough. Best of luck with your repairs. It's always good to know that what you're receiving is actually being tested, and seeing is believing. So best of luck and goodbye for me.